Hey, welcome to my channel where I show you how to make delicious food with easy to follow recipes. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cheddar bacon muffins. For this recipe, you're going to need 6 slices of bacon, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 egg. And something that didn't show up in the lineup, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First, you're going to cook your bacon. While the bacon is cooking, you have time to grate the cheese. After the bacon has been cooked, cut it up in small pieces. Pour the lemon juice into the milk and let sit for about 2 minutes. Combine the flour, cornmeal, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and sugar together. Beat the egg and add it to the milk mixture. And add the melted butter to the milk mixture. Stir until everything is combined. Now combine the wet and dry ingredients together. Now just add the cheese and bacon to the mixture and stir until everything's combined. Spray your muffin cups with cooking spray, and then evenly distribute the batter between the muffin cups. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees for 17 minutes or until your muffins are completely done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.